To reset a Neff dishwasher, start by shutting down the unit using the on or off button, which ensures your safety during the process. Next, disconnect the appliance from its power source and let it sit for at least 30 seconds. After that, reconnect it to the power source. Locate the start button on the control panel and press and hold it for approximately 3 seconds, or until the LED indicator blinks or O1 appears on the display, thereby initiating the reset process. Close the unit's door firmly and wait for about 1 minute, allowing the dishwasher to reset itself. It's essential to avoid interfering with the reset process by not pressing any buttons. The LED lights will blink during the reset. Once the reset is complete, the blinking will stop, and you can open the door. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your Neff dishwasher.